Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to the nightly game plan trade of the week video sponsored by T3Live.com. This is Sami Abusaad and recording this video on Thursday after the market close. The trade of the week, we are still in the thick of earnings season, so naturally the trade of the week was an earnings trade in Maiden Holdings Limited, and it is a reinsurance company in the property and casualty market. The ticker symbol was MHLD. And here is the daily chart. The entry was at 8:40. I entered just before the market closed yesterday at 8:40. And I know some of you might be wondering why I took this trade. Well, it was an awesome weekly sell setup into earnings. The stock was going to report earnings, and I saw this amazing weekly sell setup. So I expected the stock to gap down, to open lower, simply because that's what the chart was saying. And today, the stock gapped down 20%. I closed out at 655, making a cool $5,500 on the trade. Held the stock for about 30 minutes in total, so not a bad chunk of money for 30 minutes worth of work. Honestly, the MHLD is not really the trade of the week. The TRIP maybe was. I think it made just as much a couple of days ago. The MNK made exactly $5,000. Today, TGH was very nice. So overall, a lot of nice trades are being called in the nightly game plan program. And here is the P&L for MHLD. Again, it made $5,500. This is actually a picture of my realized gains and losses in E-Trade. Let me go online and I'll show you. All right, need to go online. So here it is. There it is. That's the MHLD. And MNK is right below it. And what was the third one? TRIP. TRIP. Where is TRIP? Here's TRIP. 1821 plus 2704 plus 840, so it's over $5,000. I don't know why E-Trade doesn't combine them all into one line item, but they don't. Let me scroll back up and I'll show you what I've been able to do for the past month. Actually, I started trading this earnings season on October 16th through today. The only way to refresh the page is by just clicking on today's date again, is what I found out. So here it is, 62,372 net gains. Commissions, $1,000. And this is not the only account that I trade. I also trade another Ameritrade account, realized gains, really since October 16th, because that's when I started trading this earnings season. It should be the same, $10,500. So overall, pretty nice for 3 weeks worth of trading, 3, 4, I guess, 10 here and 62 there. What is that? What's the total? $73,000, right? Almost $73,000. All right, well, let's go back to the PowerPoint slides. Guess it's over. If you'd like to join me, go to this link and sign up. The cost to join is really about what an average play makes. Just one play pays for the entire cost. And you know, the beautiful thing is this type of trading is really simple. I post the plays and all you have to do is get in at the end of the day. No special entry, no special setup or anything is needed. The next day you exit on the gap with some very minimal management that I'll teach you. It's really that simple, honestly. Now, I showed you what I was able to do, again, in 3 to 4 weeks, and I honestly feel like I wasted the first 2 weeks because I wasn't aggressive enough. I was way too cautious, and I passed on a lot of good plays. So I was still able to make about $73,000. So I expect to make well over 100K next earnings season, and we have 4 earnings seasons per year, 4 quarters per year. So should make $500,000 from these earnings plays, just from the earnings plays alone. And so I'm really looking forward. I hope you are too. All right, guys. Well, hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you want, again, to join me, go to that link. And if you're not into swing trading, maybe you're just a day trader, I'm in the black room. It's for day trading. I'm in there all day, every day. Actually, let me show you my P&L for the day. And here it is. That's today's P&L. Could have done better, but hey, not bad. Not trying to show off or anything like that, but just kind of sharing with you what's possible if that's something you're interested in. And honestly, showing you the P&L and showing you proof because I can. Most everybody else can't. Otherwise, they'd show it, right? All right, guys, have a great weekend. And as my Texan friend always says, happy trading, you all. Peace.